Before my last trip to Ostuni, I asked what people wanted for upcoming episodes, and the answer was loud and clear. People wanted to see the real day-to-day life off the tourist track of Ostuni. What's it really like? So, I took the challenge and I was walking around. And within a day or so, I noticed something really terrifying. And you know what? It happened like clockwork. I knew exactly when I'd turn a corner and see it. But what was really crazy is by 11 a.m. or definitely by noon, all traces vanished. Folks, I am here to warn you, this is not in any guidebook.
Crikey, I'm getting in strike range of one of the best examples of Ostuni in the wild. Closer? I'm getting closer. Blimey, they're not moving, not an inch. This is classic Nonno behavior. Once they lock in, the sidewalks belong to them. Crikey, look at that formation. It's like a living barricade.
Okay, excuse my horrible Steve Irwin accent, but what better way to introduce you to a fixture that's probably been around here since the first whitewashed these walls 800 years ago, the Nonno Gangs of Ostuni. This is Italy's free social club, no membership needed. Just show up retired and opinionated. Sidewalks? Public property? Nah, this is the Nonno debate zone. These gangs are posted at key intersections, piazzas, and in bad weather, the covered cafe spots. Plentiful, loud, and gesturing wildly. You can't miss them. Topics? I don't know. Football scores? Politics? The weather? But honestly, does it really matter? They talk so fast and over each other, no one can understand them. And I'm not sure that they understand each other, nor do I think they care. And to be truthful, they're not here to share Nonno Sate secrets with some silly American. They're entertaining themselves. So focused, they literally do not see you coming. Want to pass? Well, good luck. Best bet? Detour in the streets, but watch out for cars and Vespas. Ask me how I know. And the craziest part? Just like my Amazon package handed to a random Poste Italiane, they go poof. In this case, by noon. So, walk into a pharmacy for a toothbrush at 11:23, walk out at 11:25, they could be gone. Poof, like they were never there. And so then I wonder, do they rotate spots like a sundial? Is there some secret reservation for prime sidewalk real estate? You know, honestly, I have no clue. But it's like Cinderella at midnight, except by noon. And where do they go? Head home for riposo? Pranzo? It's a mystery. It's a mystery I may never solve. Meanwhile, what about the Nonna? Well, they're out there too, but they're solo. Shopping, hanging laundry, scouting the new crazy American who bought the house down the street. A Nonna is better security than a Ring camera. They know everything. They've got ninja skills, slipping around knowing exactly when it's safe to hang those sheets and when to bring them in. And you know, as the days went on, I realized something. We're going to fit in so well when we move here permanently. In fact, I called my husband one night and I said, hey, I found you some new friends. He was like, well, what are their names? I said, I have no idea. He goes, well, I don't speak Italian. Is that going to be a problem? I said, no, there's no worries. They won't even notice. And like a good husband, that was the end of the conversation. But let's talk about it a little bit. I'm going to send him out the door with a big mug of coffee to the piazza and tell him just nod and gesture every once in a while. And you know what? The truth is they will welcome him with open arms. In fact, we'll probably love that he doesn't speak Italian and that he just stands there and nods. That gives them more time to talk. And you know what? They'll put him on the edge of their little Nonno gang and hopefully he won't fall. But you know what? If they have to let somebody go, why not let the crazy American that can't even talk Italian? Let him go. Maybe he'll be their sacrificial Nonno lamb. Anyway, I'm just wondering, do you have this happening in your town? Do you have Nonno gangs that rule the sidewalks till noon? Where do you think they disappear? Do you think they go home to have a nap? Do you think they're going home for lunch? Do you think there's a secret Nonno headquarters? Is there a secret knock? Drop your theories and your stories in the comments below. And if you're heading to Ostuni, remember, respect the barricade, or at least learn to love to walk in the street. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell next time. Maybe we'll track some Nonna ninjas together. Ciao for now.